First, turn on the power switch. Wait for 20 to 60 seconds. The camera will prompt "Camera starts,"
Camera start.
which means the camera is now working. If you don't hear the prompt after a long time, you need to restart the camera. Wait for another 10 to 15 seconds. The camera will rotate left, right, up, and down. Continue waiting for another 10 to 15 seconds. The camera will prompt "Please configure network."
Please configure network.
The blue indicator light will quickly flash. At this time, you can open your phone's Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and Smart Life app. Follow the steps on the screen. Method 1. Enter the Wi-Fi account and password. Wait for about 40 seconds.
Connecting network. Camera online.
Connection successful. Skip featured plus. Method 2. Enter the Wi-Fi account and password. Align the QR code with the camera to scan it.
Connecting network. Camera online.
Connection successful. Skip featured plus. The reset button is located at the bottom of the camera. You can perform the operation with or without removing the cover. Long press the reset button, and when you hear a beep, you can release your hand. Reset successful. Continue waiting for reconnection. First, make sure there is a micro SD card in the camera. Next, enable the local recording function. We recommend using a micro SD card to play videos to avoid cloud storage fees. Note, for security reasons, one camera can only be connected to one phone. If other phones need to view this camera, it needs to be done through sharing.